Hello, Astral here. Welcome to my channel. Today, in the stock market, we didn't have any day trades because we used it all up last week. So, we are going to talk about investment calculators and project out how much I need to make every year for 5 years to get to my goal. So, the NASDAQ is going up as well as the SPY and everything else. Look at it. Facebook is up, Apple, especially Tesla. If I had a day trade today, I would trade Tesla. Tesla is up over 5% in a day. Would have made a lot of money. So this is a Dave Ramsey calculator, investment calculator. It projects out in how many years you want to save, how much you have to make that certain year to hit your goal. All right. So let's enter our age, 25, maybe 5 years, right? We want to see what 5 years out looks like. So we'll put in 30. Then how much money do we currently have in investment? So in the small account, let's put 7,000. We actually have like 7,600, but put 7,000. How much more you contribute monthly? 4,000. Let's put 4,000. And then what do you think you make in return? So 120% because we're using options, right? If it's regular, it'll just probably be 20%, but we're using options. So it's 120% returns. We already, got more than 120, but and you believe that it says in 5 years we should make $14 million. So we only have to make 107,506 for the first year. Minus 48,000 because the 4,000 a month we're putting in, and then minus 7,000 because that's what we started with. So the total I need to make is 52,506, which is about $4,375.50 per month. There's 252 trading days in a year, so that's about 21 days a month, so $208.36 a day. And we already did that. Last week alone we made 4,190. That's equivalent to $838 a day. And now we can relax for the rest of the month, but I'm not gonna relax, you know that. So let's go to the next year. I have to make $422,937 minus the first year, 107,506, minus 48,000 for the 4,000 a month we're putting in, minus 7,000 for the initial investment. Our total is 260,431 we need to make for the second year to, on our road to make 14 million. All right, so we need to break this down. We need to make about $21,702 a month, or $1,033 a day. Seems achievable. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.